Bravo 6. Moving on the rear garden.
Bravo 6, this is Alpha 2. About to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6, moving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust the wolf.
You know I do. But this operation failed, so why are we
This is
doing
not
this?
safe.
Take the front room.
Your dead brothers made sure of that.
We were
Drop 'em.
supposed to have double the body count. Is that...
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entering through the front door.
Bravo 6, moving to the first floor.
X-ray down.
Target behind the door.
Don't shoot! Don't kill me! Please!
Two X-rays down.
Copy.
Make sure this floor's secure.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6, moving to the second floor.
Outside the door!
Get a flashbang. 3-1, get up here now.
Roger, moving. What are you doing?
Clear that room. Get those rooms clean. Secure this floor. Right at the stairs. Ready on the stairs, let's go. Bravo 6 taking the third floor.
I will not betray the wolf.
I don't want to be here if you're gone.
Let me go. Get here. Let me go.
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now! Secure him. Suck that kid up.
Flashbang.
Secure.
Last floor.
down! Get down! Get down! Clear.
All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Copy, boss. Roger.
Trust the place, Sergeant. See what you can find. Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your house. We got a location on the wolf.
The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Varus forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.
حتى كانوا عم يوصلوا جوا المستشفى بس هلا كريت الأوفر.
ماشي خبرني نعرف شو بيصير. My soldiers confirm that the hospital is under siege. Al-Qatala has taken civilians as human shields. They're protecting someone.
Or something.
Tomorrow we find out.
All clear, sister.
Hadir is my best sniper. You can rely on him. And all my fighters.
Marines want their pound of flesh. We're leading the charge on this.
I told you we would help you.
And you're keeping your word.
I don't do this to keep my word. The invaders of my country have no regard for human life. The gas kills all things, even food and our gardens. If you use these tactics, you are my enemy.
No exceptions?
None. Al-Qatala has given my people a bad name, and we have paid dearly for their crimes. I want to see the wolf punished.
I'll make sure you're at the embassy for the handoff to Price.
And you? Where will you go when this is over?
Wherever they send me.
You don't choose.
Not exactly.
Rest up. Tomorrow's a big day.
What about you and your men?
We'll be here until sunrise.
I'll cover the open corner.
The hospital is at the end of the road.
Half a click. I'll be hoofing it with the Marines.
Echo 3-1.
Sergeant Griggs.
All day.
Call me Alex.
No locals on this one. Not my call. You Kareem?
All day.
Nice work hitting the Russians.
We share friends and enemies.
Bitfawi. Bashufak.
Let's roll, Alex. Damon Dog, time to take this shit to the fan. You'll find this a target-rich environment. Watch the windows. Good guys look like bad guys around here. Shit's fucked up.
Demon 1-2, Viper 3-5.
Viper, where you at?
Viper is rolling northbound at checkpoint Omaha 1-2.
Lighten up, Alex.
Clean up an aisle 6, baby!
Got tripwires on the alcove, Sergeant.
What's the word, 3-1? Can you disarm it?
Check. On it.
Clear. Damon, ribbon's cut. Let's move. Follow the armor and stick close.
Let's move! Shit, man down! Get cover! MG, 12 o'clock! Blue building, third floor!
Pop smoke and flank. Up the high side. Move!
Clear. Moving to second deck.
Copy 3-1. Watch yourself.
Clear. Moving to third deck.
That's the target door. Clear Wolf.
Clear.
Copy that. All teams, rally with the convoy. Demon 1-2 to Red Hammer 7. We're taking fire from troops defending the south entrance of the hospital. Request immediate suppression. Over.
Roger, Demon 1-2. Hammer, required. Stand by for danger close.
Demon Dog, road is clear. You are green to get some.
Demon 1-2. Red Hammer 7. Target destroyed. Vector is clear. I repeat, vector is clear.
All Demon Dog, road is clear. We're green to get some.
Hospital lobbies are entry point.
Targets in the lobby! Got a target!
Lobby secure.
Target
no
down.
sign of the
Let's
wolf.
move.
Demons are on the hunt.
Let's bag this son of a bitch, Griggs.
As long as we take them alive, everyone.
Roger that.
Got
Let's move! We're not where are they? I got one, 20 meters out! Got him! Let's move! Got a runner! I got one! 20 meters out! Yeah, I see him! I need cover! Guy on the stairs! Got an enemy! Got an enemy!
Contact, north corner, stairway.
All clear.
They're moving to second deck. No sign of the wolf.
They're trying to keep us away from something.
That's for damn sure.
Place is a freaking morgue.
Could be an ambush.
Like some zombie shit?
Just check them. All of them.
Down! Get down!
Demon 3, this is 1-2. What's your status?
Get down! Get
Take
down!
point on this, 3-1.
He's got a weapon.
1-2 to Demon 3, how copy?
Demon 3 dropped off, Sergeant.
Shit. Find them. Cover! Take cover! Cover and move! Close your distance! Push up! Push up!
Anyone 30 meters out! One's in the open!
pleasure, Sergeant.
Nothing, Sergeant. Get eyes in that room.
Camp set.
Take a look, 3-1.
Cannot save you. You were sent here to kill me, but you will die because of your continued bombings and your proxy wars.
What do you see, 3-1?
PID on the Wolf. 3 Marine hostages. He's gonna kill him. We got a breach.
Motherfuckers. Flank him from the rear. I'll take the main. Alex, take the window. Find a way around.
Copy that.
Door ahead.
Briggs, we're heading inside. Stand by. Briggs, we're heading inside. Stand by.
What are you waiting on, 3-1? Demons are set on 3. Get up there.
Hold. Briggs, we're heading inside. Stand by. Hold.
Demon set. Take this animal alive, Alex. Don't shoot him. Get him on the ground.
Clear! We got you, brother man. You're all right. Good, Alex?
Good, Griggs. Omar Suleiman, you are now in custody of the Special Operations Force. Do exactly as you're told, or you're a dead man.
Hell yeah. All demon teams, Marines are secure. Wolf is in the bag. Let's move him to the embassy.
Atuna team! Wala nerdo!
2-6, Echo is on the 3rd deck for RV. Be advised, primary entry point is clear, but that window is rapidly closing.
Roger. Well down in 3 mics. 2-6 out.
3 minutes.
In 3 minutes, my people will be inside. They will kill all of you.
I chose to take you alive. I could still change my mind.
You have the wrong man.
Lies. Tell them what you've done.
We did not steal the gas.
Who did?
Someone very dangerous.
Where is it?
I wish I knew.
The butchery's outside. They'll burn the city if they have to.
Save yourself, daughter. Join us. Do not talk to her.
Hey! Tap the brakes.
I am not your child, old man. I lead soldiers. You train killers.
But we are all killers here, no?
They're gonna breach. We gotta move now. 3-1 to 2-6, shots fired. Moving to secure the HVI, will advise.
Copy 3-1. Bravo's on station. Reposition and prep for evac.
30 seconds.
Roger, 30 seconds.
There's a large group of unknowns moving on the front gate.
Al-Qatala's down there.
Let's reach the perimeter.
Now put us on the roof.
Roger.
And we have to reach Echo fast. There's a lot of hell headed that way.
All on fire.
RPG!
Lift the one is hit. We're hit. Power up. Stay on the collective.
Fire! Fire!
Get the rope!
I'm good.
Echo 3-1, primary extraction failed. We're down on the roof.
Understood. What's the call, Captain?
There's a safe room in the basement. Head there, we'll be right behind you.
Roger, we're moving.